In this video, I'll be showing the modernized OneNote meeting details, including Teams and Loop integration. So I'm on the Home tab here, and over on the right, there's this meeting details button, and that's been there for years, but now there are a couple of nice updates. So I'll click this, and it opens up the pane, and just like before, you can select any day you want in the calendar, and it will read your Outlook automatically. So in this case, I've just got a couple of things. I've got my TPS report status meeting, and this is actually created with Teams. And one of the improvements is some of the Teams integration with meetings, and this is really nice. So I'm going to select this meeting right here, and it pulls in. This looks pretty similar to the past, but one of the nice updates is you're going to see Loop collaborative notes. Because this is a Teams meeting and Teams supports Loop, automatically this is right in here. Now this is before the meeting has started, and I'm going to show what happens after the meeting and some of the improvements. But automatically you can see that it pulls in the Loop collaborative notes because this is a Teams meeting. And it has the participants, and if there were attachments, they would be here just like in the past. And I can take notes during the meeting. So just like before, if I go into the meeting, I'm taking notes, that will stay just like it is. But what we're going to do now is go into the Teams meeting and start it up, do a very quick meeting, and then see how this integrates back into the new meeting details in OneNote. So here I am in Teams. I'm going to open up my TPS status report meeting and click join. Join now. Now I'm here in Teams. You can see that the notes pane is opened up. I have all the other things like before, and we're going to assume that people have joined in. Now first off, I will click more and choose record and transcribe, and then start recording. And this will also start up the transcription. We'll confirm. Okay, now it's recording the transcription and everything I say. You can see here the transcript is on the right. If I'm talking about TPS reports, all of that good stuff will be captured automatically. Now we're going to go into notes. Now we have the agenda, so maybe I'm going to add the agenda topics, all my nice TPS report agenda items, and we're going to have the notes and some follow-up tasks. And it looks like I got assigned both of those follow-up tasks. Okay, so our meeting is done. I'll go up here, drop this down, and choose end meeting to force the end of the meeting and the recording and everything else. Now I'm here in OneNote, and what I'm going to do is there's this button in the lower right that says refresh all on this page. Now I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to confirm yes to update all, and also anything about my meeting notes will not be changed. Okay, now look what happened. We have a new recordings expanded thing. So now I've got the stream recording, and if I want to go and watch the recording and check out the transcript, I can click here. That takes me right into Stream. I can check out the transcript. Everything is right there. So that's really nice that that's integrated. I can also watch this live embedded in OneNote. So click play. You can see here the transcript. There we go. I've got that embedded meeting notes right here. Now also the Loop collaborative notes, if I expand this, you can see that all of those Loop notes that I was taking during the meeting, they show up right there embedded in OneNote. So I've got my 2 tasks here, the meeting notes, the agenda, all that good stuff. And then it doesn't do anything to the notes that were already listed. So it only updates these chunks right here. And you can expand and collapse them really easily. If you want to keep up with all the latest Microsoft updates and tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get all the latest videos that I post.